Moreover, the cooling behavior of edges is a critical factor. Internal edges tend to cool slower compared to surrounding areas. Welcome to veoCAST, the ultimate tool for simple, precise, and fast analysis of cast parts. I'm Sarah, and I'll be guiding you through the various functionalities that veoCAST has to offer. Today, we're combining two crucial features in one insightful session: inner and outer curvature analysis. These features play a significant role in cast part design, offering a deeper understanding of curvature characteristics essential for quality casting and extending mold life. Without proper rounding, sharp edges can lead to an increased concentration of stress in the mold, which accelerates wear and shortens the life of the mold. This leads to more frequent maintenance or replacement work and thus to higher manufacturing costs. In the demolding process, inadequately rounded convex edges can become problematic, potentially snagging on the mold and causing damage to both the mold and the part itself. Internally, sharp edges can disrupt material flow during casting, often resulting in incomplete fillings and subsequent defects in the final product. Moreover, the cooling behavior of edges is a critical factor. Internal edges tend to cool slower compared to surrounding areas, while external edges cool faster. The sharper the edge, the more pronounced these cooling disparities are, leading to issues like warpage, distortion, porosity, and microstructural defects. In veoCAST, both the Inner Curvature tab and the Outer Curvature tab are designed for intuitive use, sharing the same layout. Within these tabs, the curvature radius parameter, measured in millimeters, can be set to define the specific curvature range of interest. This setting is crucial as it dictates how sharply a surface may be curved. A smaller radius indicates a sharper bend, often a critical area for stress or defects in casting, while a larger radius suggests a gentler curve, usually less problematic. Therefore, in this context, all edges are displayed without any rounding when the value is 0. Once you've tailored this parameter to your part's requirements, the analysis is ready to be launched. The software diligently identifies and marks areas conforming to your specified curvature parameters. Take, for instance, this detailed outcome. Notice how veoCAST emphasizes the sharp edge while classifying the opposite rounded edge as non-critical. However, upon adjusting the parameter value upwards, veoCAST promptly identifies a broader range of edges as potential areas of concern. This analysis not only facilitates rapid identification of critical areas but also provides a comprehensive insight to make informed decisions for enhancing the part's design and manufacturing feasibility. Thank you for tuning in. If this video was helpful and you're keen to learn more about veoCAST, click here to access our playlist. Alternatively, browse our channel for further insights and information. We look forward to seeing you again soon.